Hi, this is Adam Valensek, and in 90 seconds or less, I'm going to show you how to edit your assignments in Canvas. To begin, select Assignments from your course navigation bar. Open the assignment you want to edit, and then click on Edit in the top right. Within the assignment, provide instruction on what you need your students to do. Remember to be as detailed as possible. Try to include the same type of information you would give students in class in order to help them prepare for the assignment. You can copy and paste links right into the instructions. You can also upload files such as PowerPoints, PDFs, or Word documents. To upload files, select Files from the right side of the screen, select Upload a new file, choose File, select the file you want from your computer, click Open, and select Upload. That will place the file right inside the instructions. From there, we just need to add points, change the submission type to online, selecting each of the online entry options. After that, we select a due date, and most importantly, select Save and Publish. And there you have it. Your assignment is edited and ready to go.